In this video, I'll show you how to check your internet speed. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to here, right? Just type in test internet speed, right? So I previously typed it in, so this is what we're going to type right here. Test internet speed. Click on it. Wait for it to load up, right? Once it has opened up, you're going to just click on this run speed test. So yeah, you're going to wait for it. It's going to test the download and the upload speed test of your Wi-Fi, right, or of your internet connection. So you can see from the download, our speed is currently I think 1.6 or 7 megabits, right? So the upload is around 6 to 8, right? So yeah, that is it basically. So you can see 5.99. Your internet connection is very slow, right? So this is basically how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you on the very next one.